Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Speech and Smile. I'm Miss Stephanie, and I'll be reading your story today. Today's story is Floss the Wobbly Flamingo. We'll be using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects while we read along with the book. If you have yours, why don't you go ahead and get them out, and we'll get started. Meet Floss the Flamingo. Flamingos can balance. Not this flamingo. It's not one of her talents. Her legs are quite weak, so they quickly get tired. But this doesn't stop her. For this she's admired. She's such a fun character, helpful and sweet. She's playful and positive, kind and upbeat. I'm flamboyant and fabulous. My legs may be weak, but my wings are sensational. And check out my beak. Her wings are astounding, the envy of many. Floss flaps them around to help keep her steady. Her feathers are radiant, with colors so bright. They're simply just dazzling, especially in flight. Her beak is so glossy, curved, long, and slender. Floss holds it up high to show off its splendor. I'm flamboyant and fabulous. My legs may be weak, but my wings are sensational. And check out my beak. One day, Floss feels upset. Her belly, it rumbles. She needs to eat, but losing balance, she stumbles. She wibbles and wobbles. She then starts to sway. Then splash goes the water. The fish swim away. Floss watches her friends catching fish with such ease. Their good sturdy balance makes fishing a breeze. I'm flamboyant and fabulous, but my legs are so weak. I just cannot do this. I lack the technique. Her song rings out loudly. It's such a sad sound. Her friends all soon hear it and gather around. Floss, we all have strengths and our challenges too. While you admire us, know we admire you. Your wings are magnificent. You fly with great speed. You always work hard to prevail and succeed. I'm flamboyant and fabulous, but my legs are so weak. I just cannot do this. I lack the technique. Her friends want to help. They know Floss is upset, so they gather together and make her a net. A dip in the water, a glide and a swish. Her heart fills with pride as her net fills with fish. Floss stumbles a little, but scoops with each sway. She's caught enough fish to last the whole day. I'm flamboyant and fabulous, even with legs so weak. I feel sensational using this new technique. Independence is gained. Floss feels so strong. no rumbling belly, no standing too long. Floss, you're amazing. We're inspired by you. Let's help one another in all that we do. I can't fly very fast. I struggle to play. If we help each other, we'll improve day by day. You're fabulous, Floss. Your legs may be weak, but you are sensational, so special, unique. So together they practice, each at their own pace, helping each other with problems they face. They soar through the sky, they eat fish and play, each with their own strengths, right there on display. Achievements are met with a dance and a smile, wings flapping, beaks high in true Flossie style. We are all fabulous. We are learning each day. We are simply sensational in our own special way. So if you see a flamingo, beak high like a boss, wobbling and flapping, they're doing the floss. We are all a bit different, and the world would be bleak if everyone was the same, not special or unique. Floss may be different, inspiring for sure. We all have our strengths. Can you tell me yours? Thank you so much for joining me as we read Floss the Wobbly Flamingo. I love using our Say and Play Story Kit mini objects with this story kit. In the story kit, there is included a same and different card. You can use your Say and Play mini objects to put things together that are the same. We have the pink flamingos that are the same. What might be different? A tree is different than the pink flamingos. Here we have two trees that are the same and one tree that is different. This pair of glasses and soccer ball have the same colors, black and white. The rainbow is different because it has so many different colors. In our story today, we got to see lots of different similarity and differences from the different flamingos. I think having differences is a wonderful thing, and being unique is something to be celebrated. Thank you so much for joining me as we were reading Floss the Wobbly Flamingo. Make sure you learn from Floss and her friends that we can come alongside each other and help one another out. If you like this story, you can go on to speechandsmile.com to find this story kit, as well as several others. Thank you so much for joining me, and make it a great day.